Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. I hope you guys enjoyed our previous videos. I hope you guys learned something from it. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you a beautiful ribeye steak. We're gonna cook it in a different way. Continue watching and you'll figure it out. Okay guys, let's start. Now we have some salt and pepper right here. We're gonna just mix them together just like that. Let's add the salt and pepper all over the steak. So it's kind of thick cut, so you don't want to miss anything. Let's do the sides. Okay guys, since I told you we're gonna do a different technique this time, so we're gonna actually use the extra fat in the ribeye. We're gonna take some of the fat from the sides. You don't need all that fat. Just a little bit. Okay guys, we waited until our grill is hot enough. Now we're gonna add our leftover of fat. Just move them around the grill. Let's add our steak. You wanna hear that sound? You wanna also push down a little bit. Okay guys, let's flip it on the other side. Beautiful. You're gonna also press a little bit. Okay guys, so each side is gonna take about 3 minutes. Now that both sides have had 3 minutes, we're gonna also do the top, the bottom, and the sides. Okay guys, after doing every side, we just made a compound butter right here. It's made of butter, rosemary, and dried laurel. That's it. Now we're gonna sort of brush it on the steak. We don't need to cover the upper and lower body because it doesn't matter, because the butter either way will melt. Used about 30 grams of butter. So guys, after preheating the oven, we're gonna put our steak inside at 200 degrees for about 8 minutes. Guys, now while our steak is cooking, we're gonna make some rice. We added some water, about 125 milliliters of water, a tablespoon of salt, about a quarter cup of rice. Okay guys, now we're gonna stir it a little bit. And then we're gonna put the lid on. You wanna also leave some space so the air can come out. Now we're gonna leave it on medium heat for 10 minutes. Okay guys, we just took our steak out of the oven. Now we're gonna sort of add our leftover of butter and just sear the steak. Okay guys, so we took our steak out. Now we're gonna actually cut it open. As you can see guys, beautiful medium ribeye steak. Okay guys, now we're gonna put our steak into the plate. Beautiful. We actually made a pepper sauce on the side and some rice. Now we're gonna pour our sauce right here. didn't give you the recipe for the pepper sauce. If you guys want to know the recipe for the pepper sauce, I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys in the next video. Okay guys, let's have a bite with everything now. The ribeye is perfectly cooked. Now let's have some rice with the pepper sauce. The rice is not overcooked, it goes well with the sauce. You guys must try this. It's really good.